ringside Ocean Breeze in Staten Island. The hurdles are now in front of the women at 60 meters the distance. World leader and meet record shown there. And here is the field between the U.S. and Jamaica. A lot of star power here. And let's start with Gabby Cunningham of the United States in 6.
Coached by 1996 Olympic 110 hurdles champion Alan Johnson. She was 3rd last year in this event. Here is Danielle Williams of Jamaica. She was the world champion back in 2015, but was 4th in the Jamaican trials and did not go to Tokyo in the outdoor event. Next to her, well, actually lane 3 is Christina Clemons, who is very good indoors. Made it to the World Championship final outdoors at the London World Championships. She made the Olympic team and made it as far as the semifinals at the Tokyo Olympics last year. So a very competitive race, lots of women who are capable of winning the race, particularly in the middle. And those of you who are fans of the USA versus Jamaica rivalry, it is very strong in this hurdle event, indoors and out.
Women's 60-meter hurdles. Good start for Clemons, and then Williams and Cunningham nearer to picture. Now emerging is Danielle Williams.
7:84, so one of the fastest times in the world. I think Gabby Cunningham is going to think, how did I not win this race with that great of a start? But it is the 2015 world champion Danielle Williams of Jamaica that got it done. There's Williams. But look at the start that Cunningham had, but she was a little high over those first couple of hurdles, and she paid for it as both of the Jamaicans came and got her, and she had to hang on for 2nd. So Williams 1st, Anderson in 2nd, both in personal best, and a season's best for Cunningham in 3rd. She's 3rd from the left. The Jamaicans in 4 and 5.
I know the Jamaicans don't care much about the indoor track and field record books, but that equals the #2 fastest time in Jamaican history in this event, 7:83, as Jamaica goes 1 and 2 in the women's 60-meter hurdles. Everyone survived the barriers, survived the race, and Danielle Williams takes the win.